Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have here today is a King of Fans Neon Illusion ceiling fan. And so, I got this off of eBay back in 2020, I think. Yeah, it was. I know it was during COVID. I know that, but I got this. Yeah, when I got this, it had blue neon, or not blue neon. Well, hold on, we'll get to that in just a little bit. I have no clue what year this thing is from. I know it's from the 90s. I can say that. Don't have much to say about it, but yeah. It has a three-way pull chain for the light. Starts off with top, bottom, and both, and back off. Here's the neon. You may notice it's pink. For some reason, from what I remember, it used to light up, or from what Manana said, it lit up blue. But whenever I put the new one in, it lit up pink, which I don't get it. But for the, but yeah, um, yeah, it lit up blue before the old transformer went out. Not transformer, the ballast for the neon. The old one went out. Whenever I replaced it, this is what happened. So yeah, sounds like a recycle truck. It's coming on this way. And here's the down light. It just has a regular light bulb, which is like one of those daylights. And there's both, which I'm going to leave it like that for the rest of the video. So yeah, let's put this thing on low. You may note the cord's kind of close to the blades. Yeah, I still need to do something with that. Like literally. This thing was out of balance when I got this thing, so I managed to balance it, so yay. It's warm in this area without any of the fans on except for this. Holy hell. Medium. Came with those crystal ball for the pull chain fobs, basically. For the pull fobs. One of them broke, but I think the other one's fine though. I don't know. Should be fine. It's moving a little bit of air on medium. But it doesn't move much here because of those blades. That and the blade pitch. And it's wobbling a slight bit. Not by much though. Okay. Yeah, it's wobbling a slight bit. And here's high. It's pretty well balanced. Moving a decent amount of air too. Yeah, decent. Oh, I can have some air movement. I'm putting the pedal on low. Medium actually. Socket's rattling for some reason. It's either that or the shade. It's stuffy without any of the fans on in this area. Very stuffy. Oh, that air feels good. And the King of Fan and the Neon Illusions is still going. It's getting ready to come to a stop. Alright, the reverse. The bearings are a little... I think there's something in the bearings, I don't know what. Here's low reverse. Medium reverse. And high reverse. See if you want it, if you can start moving. The one that's closer to the camera is starting to shake, it's starting to wobble a little bit. And zero die. Nearly fell there. The view fans are the next video, so. Light back on. Well, that's all I got for you guys today with the Neon Illusions. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace.